What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in again on Patrick Entertainment Purposes Only. We're going to talk about Tectonic today. This is not financial advice, though. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Listen, if you hold a bag of Tectonic or are excited for its future, smash that like button, share this video, comment down below, and also hit that notification bell so you get all the up-to-date information when Tectonic releases all their stuff. Now, I want to first go into an article that was sent out. It was a couple days ago, but it's introducing the staking mechanism through Tectonic and their website. And it's basically saying, I'm not going to read it word for word and bore everybody. It's saying that it's almost done. It's in the final stages of their security. And once it's approved, it's going to go live. And right here on how it works, listen, I'm going to tell you exactly why you should invest in it. Maybe not. Maybe why I invested in it is I don't want to get comments on here. I invested, it went down, it went up. Listen, this is why I'm investing in it. I'm not looking for the short term next week, the week after. I'm looking for long-term returns. I want monthly passive income to generate wealth. That's my goal. Everyone else has their own goals, right? But with Tonic, you're going to be able to stake on their platform and receive massive gains. And now this is how it works. And this part I'm going to read to you. Tonic holders can stake Tonic into their staking module and receive X Tonic based on the Tonic X Tonic exchange rate at the time. Being a yield-bearing token, the Tonic X Tonic's exchange rate increases over time without any action on your part. As a result, when you withdraw your Tonic from the staking module, you will receive more Tonic compared to when you made your initial deposit. Well, how does that happen? Why does it increase, right? The protocol will direct 50% of all protocol revenue from liquidation fees and loan repayment fees into the staking module contract, which will be converted. They have a program that's set up that's going to automatically convert it by smart contracts into Tonics via decentralized exchanges such as VVS. So obviously it says it's great news for you as a holder because this exerts buying pressure on Tonic's markets. Now, anything that is, now it says decentralized exchanges such as VVS, anything that's a part of the crypto.com ecosystem where Tectonic is part of that ecosystem, I'm 100% all in. Crypto.com will be one of the top 3 exchanges in probably the next 5 years. That's just my personal opinion. Crypto.com right now is doing the work to set themselves aside from all the massive exchanges. So let's jump into, they currently, the 24-hour volume is, what's that, 1,000 million, 2.8 million. I know when we were by our all-time high, we were roughly doing about 10 million on the 24-hour volume. So we have a lot to go. But there's literally only 1,000 million, billion, 500 trillion in the max supply. The whole supply is 500 trillion. And this staking will eat up a lot of that supply. The current price today, it's down a little bit, right? I know it's right now it's trending down. I get it, right? So if you look at the 7 days, it's trending downwards, right? Down big time, right? But this is one of the coins that you're going to have to take a look at for the future. They have some massive things coming, and I'll definitely be here letting you guys know whatever they have coming out, and I'll let you know exactly what that is. Price prediction, it's hard for me to say on this, just to be honest with you. A lot of people think Tectonic's going to explode, go crazy, burn some zeros. I get it. Right now, for me personally, I'm staking all my tokens. I'm building up as many Tectonic as I can. I'm increasing my position all the time. So if it does burn a 0 or 2, I'm going to be set off in a very nice place. Now, I'm not going to make a huge price prediction on this. I honestly see with this staking mechanism and everything, a lot of people, that's very attractive for investors because everyone wants passive income. So this module they have that they're launching is going to eat up on that current supply. And I really believe this 0 in the next couple of months will be gone. It's just a matter of when you're going to buy it, right? So if you buy it when it's at the 5, 6, 7, and then it eats to zero, your profit's still pretty good, but it's not what it could have been at this very low price range. So listen, if you have a bag of Tectonic, smash that like button, drop a comment down below. Subscribe to this channel, share this video. As many people as that see this video become holders, become investors, start staking it, and then that's how we grow as a whole company, and we start eating zeros. All right, guys, see you next time.